Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your MyMidland Mortgage account. So let's get it started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Midland Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as mymidlandmortgage.com. In my case, it's the first one. Then in the home screen, on the right side, you can see a form asking for your loan number and your password. So go ahead and provide your loan number in the text field given for loan number. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember my loan number so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your password or loan number, you can reset that by tapping on this text that says forgot password or forgot loan number. If you don't have an account in MyMidland Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this need to sign up text. And guys, to log in, all you got to do is tap on the sign in button after you provide your loan number and your password. And you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. This is how you log into your MyMidland Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.